Welcome, this is Rozani. Here's my repurposed beer bottle Papier Mâché pumpkin project. I began by adding crumpled tissue paper to the glass bottle's surface, and I filled in some spots with paper napkin pieces. I allowed it to dry a little bit, went back to it, pressed in the features, and added a little bulk to the nose. Using the liquid starch, of course. Did you know that it sticks to glass? No problem. Then once it dried, I went back and added texture to the stem, as well as creating some eyebrow texture. And then covering everything with the orange all the way around the bottle. And of course, letting it dry in between stages. I used just plain white paper for the mouth and drew in some teeth and tore some pieces of a different colored tissue paper. And after that, I was able to add the green tissue paper. So there's so many things you can do. I just had a good time of it. Of course, letting it dry in between applications is very important. And on top of the green, you'll see that I added some yellow tissue paper. And of course, I'm going to go back and add more details, and I'll probably add some paint to it as well. But I like to pencil in what I can to give me an idea of where I'm going to emphasize the features. I've been told that I make this look so easy. Well, it is easy. You just have to be careful with the paper because some of it is softer than others, and it will tear quite easily, like this tissue paper. There are different types of colored tissue, and some tear better than others. And I try to use the bleed-resistant tissue. But when people donate it to me, I'll try it anyway. But this seemed to work out good without any bleeding, but it was very delicate. Yet I had no problem applying it, and it worked just fine. And then I went back and touched up some of the orange. If you'd like to see a tutorial similar to this from start to finish, please request a custom tutorial. Although there is a fee for that because it's very time-consuming. But I'm hoping that this will give you an idea. Also, if you want something simple like just written instructions that you can print out, I can do that for you. They are $5 for this particular one. And there are other options too. I offer that, but I also offer a kit. Now, the kit I would have to mail to you, of course, which includes the paper supplies, and that would be about $15, which might be more reasonable for you and something that you can afford to do. You could try the same technique with jars, glasses, wine bottles, mugs. It's totally up to you. Are you up to the challenge? Why not give it a try? All you can do is succeed because there are no mistakes. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.